All right, good morning, everybody. We are heading out of Bowling Green, Kentucky, about 7:30 in the morning. We got a long ride ahead of us, and it looks like it's going to be a lot in the rain. All right, so we are going to be going a little bit different route on the way home. We're going to be going down south through Nashville, Chattanooga, and then going east from there towards Atlanta, and then home to South Carolina. So we're going to do a little bit different way this time, so hopefully we'll see some different sights on the way. Here we go. All right, well, we just made our first stop here. We stopped for gas, even though we still had a half a tank of gas left. Let's see what we did as far as mileage. We averaged about 28 miles to the gallon again, and we did a, let's see, 241 miles. So we still got about 400 and something miles left to go. Anyway, stay tuned. We're gonna keep going. Well, we just got off the highway again. We saw that there was a bad accident on the Android Auto there, and we figured, well, we just might as well stop, get gas again, probably get some dinner, and then we'll go back on the highway shortly. So we still got a few hours ahead of us, but we are doing pretty well right now. So hopefully after we, but anyway, after we get everything that we need, we'll eat some food, and then we'll head on out again. finish up this trip. Car's running great, almost 28 miles to the gallon. Yeah, close enough. And we'll check in a little bit. Okay, so as we are nearing the end of our journey here, we only got about 25 miles before we're home, but the Corvette is a mile and change away from hitting 70,000 miles, so I figured I would videotape the occasion. That took a lot longer than I expected. 69,999. Give it about a minute. There it is, 70,000 miles. Alright, 70,000 on the Corvette. Alright, well, we'll be home soon. We'll end it then. We'll talk to you soon. Alright, everybody. Well, we are finally back. It was about 12 and a half hours of driving from Bowling Green to back here in South Carolina. It was a long trip. Unfortunately, we had a lot of rain. We had a lot of traffic, especially trying to go through Atlanta. It was busy, but we made it home. And most importantly, the Corvette was perfect the entire time. Not a single issue, no hiccups. The car ran great, stayed cool even during the hottest times of the day with the air conditioning running. 28 miles per gallon was the average for the trip. That is amazing. On an 8-cylinder, 400 horsepower, no cylinder deactivation. This is before GM introduced that into their 8-cylinder engines. That is amazing. Anyway, this was a great road trip car. This was a great road trip. I hope you enjoyed all the videos I've done already of Camaro Fest and the Corvette Museum and so on and so forth. And if you have, hit the thumbs up just below this video here. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet. Of course, check us out on our website, techmotoring.com, on Twitter at techmotoring, facebook.com/techmotoring. I'd like to thank you again for watching, and remember, welcome to the future. Welcome to Tech Motoring. We'll see you soon.